All right, let's get right into it. We're gonna venture deep into the darkness of space to confront a truly chilling possibility. A silent intruder heading our way, an object we literally can't see coming.
Just imagine for a second that something is entering our solar system right now. It's not a comet, it's not some asteroid. No, this thing is far, far bigger, and it's almost completely invisible to our telescopes. At least until it's way too late.
What we're talking about here is a ghost world, a planet billions of years old, more massive than Earth itself, and it's shrouded in a cold so incredibly deep that it just absorbs almost all light, which makes it practically undetectable as it hurtles through the darkness.
Yeah, see? It moves without a star to light its way. It's a solitary wanderer in an endless black. You could call it the ultimate cosmic stealth mission, and guess what? Our solar system is its destination. The first signs we'd get, well, they wouldn't be seen, they would be felt.
So, how in the world would we even know it's there? Well, it would all start with whispers, just faint signals, little blips in our data suggesting that something is fundamentally wrong with the clockwork precision of our solar system.
Our most sensitive instruments, they'd be the first to sound the alarm. GPS satellites might start to drift for no reason at all. Tides here on Earth could become completely erratic, defying all of our predictive models. Even the gas giants, like Jupiter, they'd react. Their colossal storms would start churning with this alien, unprecedented fury.
You can just picture it, right? Scientists all over the world would be scrambling, checking their code, recalibrating their instruments. Is it just a massive solar flare, a software bug, or is it the terrifying signature of an unseen, massive object pulling on the very fabric of our celestial neighborhood? And the cause, well, it wouldn't be a glitch. It would be something astronomers have been theorizing about for a long, long time, but have never actually witnessed up close: a rogue planet.
So what exactly is a rogue planet? Think of it like a cosmic orphan. You see, during the super chaotic formation of a solar system, these huge gravitational battles between giant planets can just violently kick a smaller world right out of orbit. They send it careening into interstellar space, doomed to wander the void forever.
And this isn't some one in a trillion fantasy. Astronomers actually estimate there could be, get this, billions, maybe even trillions of these starless worlds roaming around the Milky Way. Our galaxy is just teeming with them. We can sometimes spot their shadows using a technique called gravitational microlensing, where their gravity momentarily bends the light of a distant star, kind of like a cosmic magnifying glass. Now, if one of these were to pass through our system, its gravity would basically be a wrecking ball. Our moon could be ripped away, Earth's orbit could get warped, plunging us into a permanent ice age or an unbearable scorcher. And here's the crucial point: the planet wouldn't even need to hit us to cause an extinction-level event. That delicate balance that allows life to flourish here, our stable orbit, our predictable seasons, our protective moon, all of it would be shattered. Our very existence in that moment would be hanging by the thinnest of gravitational threads.
The science alone is terrifying enough. But that same science also opens the door to some pretty incredible speculation. What if this encounter isn't just a random act of cosmic billiards?
Okay, so now we're gonna step away from established theory and into a realm of truly mind-bending possibility. Let's explore what this cosmic visitor could really represent. Imagine, as our probes get closer, they don't see a barren, frozen rock. Instead, they see the faint geometric outlines of structures buried under miles of ice. The ruins of a civilization that died when their entire world was cast out into the eternal night. Or what if something survived? What if there are life forms that evolved in total darkness, huddled around geothermal vents deep beneath the surface? And as they feel the faint warmth of our sun for the first time in a billion years, they look up and they see us. But here's maybe the most profound twist of all. What if this planet isn't just some alien world? What if it's a mirror? A glimpse into a possible future for our own planet? A warning of a world cast out, left to wander the darkness as a silent tomb. So, all this brings us to the final and maybe the most important question. An event like this, it forces us to confront our own fragility and our real place in the universe. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? I mean, we look out into space, always searching for others, wandering with our telescopes and our probes.
But what if, all this time, something else has been wandering towards us?
The story of the universe, when you think about it, is a story of violent creation and expulsion. Stars die, galaxies collide, planets get cast out. The cosmos is filled with exiles. And the ultimate question is, are we just living on borrowed time before we join them? So, I'm going to leave you with this thought. If you knew for a fact that this silent intruder was coming and that it was carrying with it either total annihilation or maybe the answers to our oldest questions, what would you do? Would you focus all of humanity's resources on a desperate attempt to flee, or would you stay and face the unknown? Think about it.